Welcome back. At this point, you've been introduced to the world of data analytics and what data analysts do. You've also learned how this course will prepare you for a successful career as an analyst. Coming up, you'll learn all the ways data can be used, and you'll discover why data analysts are in such high demand. I'm not exaggerating when I say every goal and success that my team and I have achieved couldn't have been done without data. Here at Google, all of our products are built on data and data-driven decision making. From concept to development to launch, we're using data to figure out the best way forward. And we're not alone. Countless other organizations also see the incredible value in data, and of course, the data analysts who help them make use of it. So, we know data opens up a lot of opportunities. But to help you wrap your head around all the ways you can actually use data, let's go over a few examples from everyday life. You might not realize it, but people analyze data all the time. For instance, I'm a morning person. A long time ago, I realized that I'm happier and more productive if I get to bed early and wake up early. I came to this conclusion after noticing a pattern in my day-to-day experiences. When I got 7 hours of sleep and woke up at 6:30, I was the most successful. So I thought about the relationship between this pattern and my daily life, and I predicted that early to bed, early to rise would be the right choice for me. And I'm definitely my best self when I wake up bright and early. I bet you've identified patterns and relationships in your life too. Maybe about your own sleep cycle, or how you feel after eating certain foods, or what time of day you like to work out. All of these are great examples of real-life patterns and relationships that you can use to make predictions about the right actions to take. And that is a huge part of data analysis right there. Now, let's put this process into a business setting. You may remember from an earlier video that there's a ton of data out there. And every minute of every hour of every day, more data is being created. Businesses need a way to control all that data so they can use it to improve processes, identify opportunities and trends, launch new products, serve customers, and make thoughtful decisions. For businesses to be on top of the competition, they need to be on top of their data. That's why these companies hire data analysts to control the waves of data they collect every day, make sense of it, and then draw conclusions or make predictions. This is the process of turning data into insights, and it's how analysts help businesses put all their data to good use. This is actually a good way to think about analysis, turning data into insights. As a reminder, the more detailed definition you learned earlier is that data analysis is the collection, transformation, and organization of data in order to draw conclusions, make predictions, and drive informed decision making. So after analysts have created insights from data, what happens? Well, a lot. Those insights are shared with others, decisions are made, and businesses take action. And here's where it can get really exciting. Data analytics can help organizations completely rethink something they do or point them in a totally new direction. For example, maybe data leads them to a new product or unique service, or maybe it helps them find a new way to deliver an incredible customer experience. It's these kinds of aha moments that can help businesses reach another level. And that makes data analysts vital to any business. Now that you know more of the amazing ways data is being used every day, you can see why data analysts are in such high demand. We'll continue exploring how analysts can transform data into insights that lead to action. And before you know it, you'll be ready to help any organization find new and exciting ways to transform their data.